Welcome to the Crafty Queen channel, and today I'm going to show you how I made this Easter birdcage door hanger. Once again, I have a list of all the supplies that I use in the description below for you. First, you're going to cut all of your floral wire into about 10 pieces, and each piece should be about 14 inches long, give or take. Use the spray paint color of your choice, and please remember to shake your can for at least 1 minute before you start spraying, because nothing irks my nerves more than a clogged can. You want to make sure that you have just about equally spaced holes from one corner of your styrofoam to the next. Mine took about 9 holes. And as far as shaping the wire, I just went on ahead and put one of the wires in there, and I kind of eyeballed the shape of a bird cage that I wanted. Once I got it the shape that I wanted, I started bending the other wires into that same shape. Hot glue the ends of the wires to the styrofoam. Oh, and remember to face the wires in the direction that you want them to face. Because you know I forgot, right? See, that's why I do this. So I can make the mistakes and I could teach you guys how to do it better. Tie the top ends of the wires together with the spare wire that you should have, and it's best to use it with a needle nose plier. Don't know what to do with the ends of it? Well, I chose to go ahead and curl mine. I thought it would give it a nice interesting look, or you could feel free to just cover it up with some flowers. To prevent the styrofoam from rubbing up against my door, I decided to glue some cardboard to the back of it. I had to cut down some of my foam, so just bear with me. My door is a bit more complicated. Now here's the pretty part. Just glue some flowers of your choice to the styrofoam and decorate the bottom. Hot glue Spanish moss inside the birdcage and alongside the cardboard. These eggs are one of the hidden gems that you can sometimes find in Dollar Tree when you least expect it. Now hot glue the eggs to the Spanish moss and you are all done. Originally, I was only going to just use the eggs that matched the colors of my flowers, the purple, the yellow, and the white and green. But then I really didn't want to have 2 other eggs just lying around my house, so I decided to go ahead and throw them all in there. You can choose to hang your birdcage with any ribbon or any leftover spare wire. As always, thank you for watching, and feel free to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications of more videos. And since you're already here, why not check out my enchanted Easter forest if you haven't already. Bye.